Hey, what's up guys, BHATech Hunter here, and today we're going to be installing a SATA SSD. So, as always, the first thing you're going to want to do is have your computer completely unplugged from all power sources and all your peripherals unplugged. Then you're going to want to lay the computer out on your table, or wherever suits you best, anywhere except carpet, and you're going to want to simply slide your side panel off. You can just place that wherever you please. Then you're going to want to locate your SATA power cable, as we'll be using that later. Now, you're going to want to take your SATA cable and you're going to want to find your port down here on the motherboard. We'll have a close-up shot of that and then we'll just jump from there. Now, right down there is your SATA port. You're going to want to take one end of your SATA cable and you're going to want to line up this little nub with a little nub that you can maybe just barely make out on the edge there. It's quite small. And you're just going to want to line that up. Plug that in, and then we'll hop back up to the widespread view. Alrighty, so now that you've got your motherboard SATA cable plugged in, you can continue to the other end of the SATA cable and take your SSD and simply plug the other end of the SATA cable in like that. Then you're going to want to locate your power cable, and you're going to want to simply plug that in as well. And then once you've done that, you're going to want to find a suitable place in your case to screw it in. Not that it matters all that much, as SSDs aren't affected by case vibration, but it is still nice to have it mounted. You could literally plop it anywhere in a case though, and it doesn't really matter. And once you have that done, if I can get this in, good enough. That's it. Thanks for coming to BHATech today. This is going to be the last video with the beautiful EVGA GeForce GTX 980. As in the next video, we will be reviewing the 3070 from the video. So have a good day, guys. Stay tuned for that.